Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Chris and today I will show you how to get started once you buy a floating license for KUKA.Sim and how to handle the license server management console. In a first part, I will show you an overview of the 3 steps: the installation of the console, the activation of the license and its usage in KUKA.Sim. Then I will show you a step-by-step process and what to click in the tools. Let's get started.
So it's actually in 3 steps. The first one is to install the license server management console on your PC. So you have 2 options. Either you have this license management console on your PC, and on the same PC you're also using KUKA.Sim. And you have a second option where you actually install the license server management console on a different PC than the one that you're using KUKA.Sim with. The second step, you go to the license server management and you have to activate the license. And you have also 2 options. One, the easier one, is with an internet connection, and the little more tricky one is without an internet connection, because here you have to transfer the license file from the PC without the internet connection to one with an internet connection and then actually activate it on the Visual Components website. The third part is then actually to get started in KUKA.Sim and activate KUKA.Sim with this floating license. So let's get started. How do you actually get to this license management console? You either can find it in the marketplace of KUKA.Sim. So if you go to the marketplace, there you go to the software engineering for robot systems simulation, you will find the place where you can actually also buy KUKA.Sim. And once you click on that and go all the way to the bottom, you will find the KUKA.Sim license server. Once you hit download here, it will download this license server in your files. The second option is if you go to Visual Components Downloads and you scroll down a bit, you get to this network license server, and here also you can hit the download button and it will work out fine. Let's proceed with the process. So now, once you download it, you have to unzip it and actually then run the executable here. And then you have to agree the terms and conditions of the license agreement and continue by clicking next and actually approve it, and then it will install it. And once the installation is successful, you can then jump to the file or the place where it installed it and run the executable of this license server management console. And from here on you can add your license key that you got and then just hit add, and you will see that it is not activated here. If the computer has an internet connection, you have activated with an automatic process. You can now jump to the part 3, so the activation in KUKA.Sim. If you have this offline PC, so the one without an internet connection, you have to activate it and save this license file as a DAT. And then you go back to visualcomponents.com, and here you open the licensing and you log in with the login data that you have, and you have to do the manual licensing. Here you have first to search for the file that you just created in the license manager and then upload the file. And from there on, you will now see the computer on which it's activated and the license key and be able to confirm the activation. Again, it will run a little bit, and then you can download again a file. With this file, as soon as you save it to the files that you want, you can now proceed and put it back in the server. So you have to copy it here and actually paste it on your network or a stick or something, and now carry it back to the offline PC and put it into this open license file and select it from this activated license and click on open, and then the license is activated, as you can see it here. And now you can start KUKA.Sim. Click on continue, then you have my organization is using a network floating license, and then you hit continue. You use the name of the PC that your new KUKA.Sim link is working on, and you have to enter also the port where the saver is sending from. So normally it's the 5093. And once you've done that, you can click on continue or next, and then it will actually match the connection. And if you click on finish, it will start KUKA.Sim and you can use KUKA.Sim. I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you also have a look at the other little introduction videos that we've done.
Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to see more interesting videos about KUKA Simulation World, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.
Industrial intelligence.